Are you looking for the best desk mount monitors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best desk mount monitors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Aries Wing Dual Monitor Arm. The Aries Wing Monitor Arm is designed to support 2 ultra-wide monitors, each up to 38 inches and 35.2 pounds. Its impressive base features 20 customizable lighting effects, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere for work or gaming. With 18.5 inches of height adjustability and various tilt and swivel options, you can easily position your monitors for maximum comfort and productivity. The quick-release Visa plate and integrated cable management makes setup a breeze, helping you keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. What we like: customizable lighting effects, height and angle adjustability, quick and easy installation, robust stability for heavy monitors. Number 2. Dell MSA20 Desktop Mount for LCD Monitor. The Dell Monitor Arm is a convenient and adjustable desktop mount for LCD monitors that measure between 19 to 38 inches. This product comes as a single pack and weighs 1 kilogram, making it easy to install and set up. The packaging dimensions are 20.0 centimeters x 20.0 centimeters x 11.0 centimeters, and the product is made in China. With the adjustable arm, you can easily adjust the height, tilt, and swivel of your monitor for optimal viewing angles. This feature allows for a comfortable and ergonomic setup, reducing strain on your neck and eyes. Additionally, the Dell Monitor Arm frees up valuable desk space, giving you more room to work and increasing your productivity. What we like: adjustable arm, ergonomic setup, space saving. Number 3. MOUNTUP Heavy-Duty Monitor Stand. The MOUNTUP monitor mount is designed to support screens up to 35 inches and 26.4 pounds, making it ideal for ultra-wide computer displays. It includes a desk reinforcement plate that enhances stability and protects your desk surface from damage. The universal Visa compatibility ensures easy installation on most monitors, while the adjustable desk thickness range accommodates various setups. With 2 anti-slip pads included, you can rest assured that your desk will remain scratch-free while the mount distributes stress evenly. What we like: supports large ultra-wide screens, enhances desk stability, universal Visa compatibility, protects desk surface, includes anti-slip pads. Number 4. AVLT RGB Monitor Arm Mount. The AVLT RGB monitor arm is designed to fit screens ranging from 13-inch to 34, making it compatible with various flat, curved, and ultra-wide monitors. With its built-in RGB gaming lights, you can choose from 179 different lighting modes to enhance your gaming or movie watching experience. This mount saves valuable desk space, occupying only a small footprint while securely supporting monitors up to 19.8 pounds. Additionally, it allows for ergonomic height adjustments, enabling you to position your screen between 7.7 inch and 18 for optimal viewing comfort, helping you maintain a healthy posture during long hours at your desk. What we like: compatible with various monitor sizes, customizable RGB lighting options, space-saving design, ergonomic height adjustments. Number 5. HP V24v G5 24-inch FHD Monitor. The HP V24v G5 monitor offers a vibrant 24-inch FHD display, perfect for enhancing your viewing experience. With a refresh rate of 75 Hz, you can enjoy smoother visuals, making it ideal for work or play. The adjustable tilt feature allows you to find the perfect angle for your comfort, reducing strain during long hours of use. Additionally, the low blue light mode helps to minimize eye fatigue by reducing harmful blue light exposure while maintaining color accuracy, ensuring you stay comfortable while you work. What we like: vibrant FHD display, 75 Hz refresh rate, adjustable tilt feature, low blue light mode.